Are you ready to leap into the future? A future where jobs, as we know them, may not even exist? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? But let's not jump ahead just yet. To understand the future, we need first to delve into the past. Picture the late 18th century. It was the dawn of the Industrial Revolution. People were leaving their farms and flocking to factories. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, machines were gradually replacing manual labor. Today, we're in the throes of the digital age where technology is reshaping jobs and industries at an unprecedented pace. Right now, the job market is in a state of constant flux, evolving and adapting as technology advances. The traditional 9-5 jobs, the ones tied to desks and offices, are giving way to a new breed of employment. Picture this, a world where virtual reality designers and drone operators are as commonplace as lawyers and accountants. These are jobs that didn't even exist a decade ago, and yet they're set to become mainstream in this year, 2024. Automation and artificial intelligence are no longer concepts of science fiction. They're here, and they're transforming the way we work. But remember, with every machine that takes over a manual task, a new opportunity arises. A chance to learn, to adapt, to grow. However, the future job market isn't just about mastering the latest technology, it's about nurturing those soft skills that make us uniquely human. Communication, creativity, adaptability. These are the attributes that can't be automated, the qualities that companies value. Whether you're fresh out of college or have years of experience under your belt, it's time to prepare for the jobs of the future. It's time to embrace change, stay curious, and never stop learning. In the job market of the future, the only constant will be change. And it's those who are ready to adapt, those who are willing to learn and evolve, who will thrive. The future may be unknown, but it's also full of possibilities. So gear up, stay flexible, and keep an open mind. The future is bright and it's waiting for you. And that's a wrap. If you found this video insightful, do subscribe to our channel for more such nuggets of wisdom. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, the future is yours to shape.